Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about doing some winter maintenance. It's getting about that time to start doing some winter maintenance on your plants, getting ready for spring. In particular, when you're dealing with palm trees or tropicals, maybe your agaves or yuccas, you might have some freeze or frost damage on those plants. Some browning, some yellowing at the tips or throughout the foliage of the plant, and you really need to trim that off. Because those plants will be producing new growth this spring and summer, and you want to get that dead growth off there, get it out of the way, and let that new growth come in. Like this palm tree here, you can see the palm tree next to it. This one's nice and green, but this one had some frost damage. It's got some yellowing, some browning on the palms there. Those are going to have to be completely removed. They're dead. They're not going to come back. They're not going to turn green again. The new growth is going to come out of the center, and that's what's going to look nice. So remove all that dead stuff, trim them up, and wait for that new growth to come in. So that applies to your palm trees, to any of your tropicals, a lot of your yuccas and agaves, like I said. Just check them all out. Check your landscape. We're getting that time of year where the weather is going to be warming up here pretty soon, and they'll start flushing out. So go ahead and prep them now. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Comment below, shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you out however we can. Thanks.